In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VPN extensions to your Google Chrome browser. Whether you're looking for extra privacy or want to access content restricted to certain locations, a VPN can be a handy tool. Let's get started on how you can set up a VPN on your Chrome browser quickly and easily. Firstly, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as you'll need it to download your chosen VPN extension. Once your browser is open, head to the top right corner and click the plus sign to open a new tab. In this new tab, enter the URL for the Chrome Web Store. That's simply chrome.google.com Web Store. This is the online marketplace where you can find and install extensions for your browser. Once you've reached the Chrome Web Store, focus your attention on the search bar at the top middle of the screen. Type in VPN and press Enter. This will bring up an array of VPN extensions available for Chrome. Take your time and browse through the options presented to you. Here, it's important to consider factors such as ratings and user reviews to make an informed choice. Look for VPNs with high ratings and positive feedback, as this will often indicate a reliable service. An example you might come across is Free VPN for Chrome, VPN Proxy VPN, but feel free to choose the one that best suits your needs. After deciding on a VPN extension that appeals to you, click on it to open its details page. This page will provide more information, such as features and user reviews. Once you're satisfied with your choice, you'll see an Add to Chrome button on this page. Click on it to start the installation process. Next, a pop-up window will appear, asking you for confirmation to add the extension. Click Add Extension in this window. This step ensures that you have consciously chosen to add this extension to your browser. Now, it's time to wait. The download and installation process will commence and may take a few minutes, depending on your connection speed. Once the installation is complete, you will notice a new icon appearing in your Chrome toolbar. This icon represents your newly installed VPN extension. Click on this icon to open the extension. At this point, you might be asked to either sign in or set up your VPN. If you already have an account, use your credentials to sign in. If not, follow the instructions provided to set up your VPN for the first time. And there you have it. You can now start browsing securely with your VPN extension active. Enjoy the added layer of privacy and the freedom to access content from around the world. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and tutorials. Happy browsing!